XRP and Dogecoin holders. I'm going to kind of give you my benefit on both cryptocurrencies along with some analysis on both. I'm going to kind of compare the two as they're both very close in volume along with other factors here. With the overall market, both of these coins are currently down on the day. If you watch my previous videos, I did say that we would potentially fall back on XRP and Dogecoin. Before I go on further, I just want to mention I am not a financial advisor. It's just entertainment purposes only. So make sure you do your own due diligence before investing into the stock or the crypto market. As of right now, XRP is currently sitting at $1.06. Also with Dogecoin sitting around the 36-cent range. So I'm going to first start looking at a 1 hour pattern here. So potentially we did see a potential upside coming around here on Dogecoin, coming closer back that 42-cent range. But we started to notice that it broke the trend. As of right here, you can kind of see that we've seen a cup along with a potential handle here. It kind of channeled down, it broke through, and it's breaking through this channel. Whenever we start to see that and break through the trend, there's a possibility that we may try to drop below the 33-cent range if we break below this channel here. If we continue to see movement like this on Dogecoin, there's a possibility that the pullback could go all the way back down to around a 13% loss to that 33-cent range very quickly. But I am very hopeful with Doge that we will continue to kind of stay within the channel. If we do start to see some volume and some movement in the overall market, I do expect us to kind of break through that channel here. Bitcoin's currently up and Ethereum is currently falling. A lot of money is being pulled from Ethereum and other cryptos, putting into Bitcoin with the price target of 100,000. Along with Bitcoin hitting that 100,000, that is the target that everybody wants to see Bitcoin hit. Therefore, after that, you'll probably see a lot of volume on the sell side where a lot of people is going to be taking profits as the target's being hit of a $2 trillion market cap with the $100,000 price target. So this affects XRP and Dogecoin in many ways. If Bitcoin starts to pull back, that brings a lot of volume over to other altcoins. They start trading the altcoins trying to make up for the losses on Bitcoin. But with Dogecoin and XRP, these are big cryptocurrencies in the space. So their volume can be kind of hit or miss depending on what day it is. There's tons of volume as it is, but with some days, you'll see that there's a lot of FOMO traders along with emotional traders moving in and out of the cryptos throughout the day. Whenever I take a look at XRP here, we did break above this right here, this trend. We're starting to kind of see it fill the gap. It filled this gap as soon as we hit that $1.15 support. I think we're going to see it drop back down to that $1.04 range very quickly, dropping back down to that 9%. I mentioned that this pattern was yesterday. Once we kind of see it break below here, there's potential that we could fall back under that dollar range. If we continue to kind of see it where we are on XRP, that pullback definitely is going to happen as we see in less volume, and we're seeing the overall market just decline in anyways, currently falling around 3 to 6%. So if I take a look at XRP and Dogecoin, so XRP is $1.07. Dogecoin is 37 cents. XRP is down 2.8% today, and Dogecoin is down 10.85% today. The market cap is $61.5 billion for XRP, and Dogecoin is $54.3 billion, along with the trading volume on Dogecoin being more than XRP. With it being more, it is where we're seeing that 10% loss, like I mentioned earlier, about FOMO and emotional traders kind of moving from coin to coin as they're starting to fall and pick back up. So Dogecoin's market cap is $54.3 billion. For it to suppress XRP, it's going to have to gain right around a $72 billion market cap here. So over $7 billion to overtake XRP's spot in the top 10. Currently, XRP is number 6 according to Coinbase in the top 10 cryptos. Dogecoin is number 7 right behind it. You can see that there is a lot of fallback opportunity. So USDC, Cardano will more than likely not attempt to take over Dogecoin or XRP here. So XRP and Dogecoin's volume and volatility going to happen very, very quickly. Along with, you can see that the volume is currently down today. So you can see Ethereum's volume is right around 30 billion with Bitcoin 75.6. Bitcoin does have a market cap as $1.9 trillion. Whenever you do also take a look at XRP, you can see that Dogecoin and XRP both had seen a big drop here continuously within just the last few hour time frame. And we're going to continue to kind of see this as we did break that trend. Breaking that trend could send us back down to each support level on Doge and XRP. We're also in a consolidation period between that $4 to $1.15 range on XRP. But while you take a look at Dogecoin, you can also see a very similarity between the 41 cent and the 33 cent range. you can kind of see that there was some movement in Dogecoin here, made around a 6% profit within just a day and 13 hours with the signal. Over here, you could also see that the signal was over a 159% gain with an 11-day period on Dogecoin. You can, guys, check that link down below in the description. Join the Patreon for less than $1 a day. You can join the Patreon. I am giving a 7-day free trial. The Patreon includes Discord access, buy and sell alerts, along with a trading indicator that also has multiple indicators all into one, so you won't have to use other indicators here. But overall, with Dogecoin, Shiba, Pepe, all these coins are currently pulling back around 5 to 6% as the overall market is pulling back. I think a lot of money is moving over into Cardano and Bitcoin currently, just trying to get the price targets to that dollar range on Cardano, and Bitcoin being right around that 100K range as well, breaking new all-time highs throughout the day. And that causes hype and movement to the market itself. And that could be negative definitely whenever it's coming closer to tax harvesting, as people is taking profits and will start moving money around to kind of cut their losses or cut their profits, trying to pay the less as they can. Remember, guys, I am not a financial advisor. It's just entertainment purposes only. So XRP and Doge, you can see that there was over a $7 billion market cap difference. They're both fighting for the number 6 spot on Coinbase for the top 10 cryptos. XRP is currently number 6. Dogecoin is number 7. Therefore, you're going to see a lot of movement definitely as they get closer together, as they start to kind of overtake each other on Coinbase and a lot of these other exchanges. But overall, I do think Dogecoin and XRP is going to be bullish within the next few weeks. Right now, we're starting to kind of see that cup and handle pattern happen on the 4-hour. We're getting very close down here. I believe we're going to hit that 35 cent range here. If we continue to break through that 33 cent range is going to happen. But if we bounce around that 35 cent range, we're going to retest that 42 cent just like we did yesterday. The candlestick may not close around that 42 cent, but it may close right around that 40 cent range on Dogecoin. Also, similarity with XRP. XRP did see a double bottom pattern here. It did retest that $1.15, closed right under that $1.15. You kind of see it kind of pull back. But right now, you're starting to kind of see this doji candle on it. But overall, I do think that the trend here is going to continue to see some movement on XRP on the 4-hour time frames. Even if you take a look at the 2-hour time frame, you can kind of see how the channel has kind of just been bouncing, not wanting to get above that resistance of $1.15. Kind of bouncing between the $1.15 and that $1.04 very quickly throughout the day. If we break below this $1.04, we're easily going to see below that dollar range. But I'm expecting that we're going to see maybe a bounce around that dollar range, getting closer back to that $1.15, if not trying to retest that $1.27 very quickly. But that depends on the overall market as well. If the overall market starts to dump very quickly, you will see a lot of other movement into these coins like Dogecoin and XRP, as there are going to be a lot of money that is just being switched around, switched hands, and exchanges will be moving money around as well. That's why you're seeing Bitcoin's target right around that 100,000, because everybody wants to see it, along with some of these other coins falling back, such as Ethereum retesting that 3,000 range. That is making the market kind of pull back along with it. So I am very bullish on XRP and Dogecoin for the long term, but on the short term, I'm expecting a little bit of a drop going into that upside potential to that $1.20 range on XRP, along with Dogecoin getting back to that 42 cent range. If we break through that, we could easily retest that 50 cent range very, very quickly. Everything is definitely going to be a volume-based trade. Make sure you do keep up to date with the overall market, as that is going to be the indication what is exactly happening next and where money is moving into, which type of altcoins and cryptocurrencies in general, and also certain times of the day when traders are going to lunch or going to be opening up for the stock market, or the close of the stock market is whenever you'll see the most volume. Remember, guys, I am not a financial advisor. It's just entertainment purposes only. Hit that like button and subscribe down below. Join the Patreon, get that 7-day free trial.